In this tutorial, learn how to process large data files into a pie or bar chart. The data used as example is a data file of 986 entries. The data consists of motorcyclists of different age and the erectile dysfunction of this group of people. In this tutorial, the program Data Warrior is used. So first, the data file with the entries in Excel or another text file is selected and opened in Data Warrior. Then on the top left you see the entries, and then in the bottom left a scatter plot is placed with data. Now we're not going to use this one. When you click on the chart, you can go to set preferred chart type, and here you can choose which chart you want. Now here's the pie chart, and here's the bar chart. Now I'm going to start with the pie chart, then you can check which one you use. We use the mean value of the erectile dysfunction. Then you go to this point to make a big picture of the chart. Now first you need to go to the X and Y axis to get this for the right. So first you need to get the X axis and the Y axis right. So we use here the age range and the motorcyclist. Then you have here the motorcyclist, yes or no. And then you set the colors in. So you go again to the chart and you use set marker color. Then you go to the erectile dysfunction and say color by categories. You can here set your own colors for the different categories if you want. And there you have the pie chart. Now, if you want, we're gonna examine the bar chart next. So you make this again small. You see on the bottom right the pie chart, and now on the other side we're gonna make a bar chart. Now you want a new 2-day view. This is again what you saw on the bottom left at the first thing. Then you go on set preferred chart type. You go to the bar chart. Again, the mean value of the erectile dysfunction. Again, on the X and Z, you go for the age range and the motorcyclist. Again, you have yes and no on the motorcyclist and the age ranges. Well, you want to set marker color by categories again, after you use the erectile dysfunction. Well, we're gonna make it same colors as used as the bar chart, so we can see the difference. And then you click on OK, point this way, and if you make this small again, you can see difference on the pie and bar chart. Now both charts have been made. You can look at the differences between the type of charts. As you see the charts next to each other, you can see the connections and differences between motorcyclists and motorcyclists easier in the pie charts. If this is the goal, as it is in this case, you prefer the pie chart over the bar chart. However, pie charts can only be used when the number of color groups are small. When instead of 5 groups of erectile dysfunction 20 were used, the difference would become very hard to read. This problem would not occur in the bar chart. Also, when the differences become very small, the numbers in the bar chart can show difference, so the pie chart will not. So if the color groups are small and the difference is big, pie charts are optimal, but when this is not the case, a bar chart is often preferred.